24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Common Noun. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Let's start the lesson. Everything has a name. Most of the language is based on naming vocabulary. Help the students to learn these. Learning objectives. Students should be able to define common noun, identify common nouns in a sentence, recall. Begin by writing the following words on the board for the class. Animal, chair, boy, man, teacher, book. Tell the students that these are the naming words. Ask them to say at least 2 naming words. Introduction. Read aloud the naming words written on the board and tell them these are the common nouns. Explain that a general name of a person, place, or a thing is a common noun. We do not begin these nouns with capitals. Read. Ask the students to read all the nouns written on the board. Recognition. Write some sentences using common nouns and ask the students to encircle common nouns. For example, I am a boy. This is a cat. A parrot is in the cage. This is a pencil. She is a tall girl. Encourage the students to identify the common nouns and encircle them. Review. Plan a fun activity in the class and ask the students to look around in their classroom and write down the names of things. Each student must read one or more of its items. Next, have the students organize their nouns into categories of people, places, or things. Emphasize that they try to write common nouns. Writing. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.